Hello dear children, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and you are watching Parallel Lines Part 7. Now let's see what is given in this question. Draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm and find a point P on it such that AP ratio PB is equal to 1:3. Find AP and PB. Now children, see, in the first step, you have to draw a line segment of length 7 centimeters. See here, it is given draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter. So let us say that this is a line segment of length 7 centimeter. Okay. And then after that, what you have to do, you have to divide that line segment in the ratio 1:3. Means you have to locate a point P on AB such that AP is to PB is 1:3. Now first of all, we have drawn a line segment AB of 7 centimeters. Now you have to divide it in the ratio 1:3. That means you have total number of parts. Total parts will be equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So in the step 2, what you have to do is you have to make an angle from A at point A to the upper side. So let us make one angle. I am making an angle of 30 degree. You can make an angle of 60 degree or any other angle, but when you make these angles, at A and at B, both of them should be equal. So from A, I have made an angle of 30 degree, and again from B, I am making an angle of 30 degree. Okay. So here I have formed the figure. Now see. So this is A and this is B. Now we have to make how many parts? 1:3 means total parts 4. So from A, see how this ray, let us say this ray is AX and this ray is BY. Okay. Now see ray AX and BY, and you have to divide that ray at equal distances. And how many parts you have to make? 4 parts. So from A, you see the line of your notebook. This is the line of your notebook. Properly you have to observe. See, this is the line of your notebook. And how many parts you have to make? A1, then A2, then A3, and again come next you have A4. So this way you have to make 4 parts. This one, this is B1, now B2, B3 and B4. Okay. So next part is you have to locate one point P which divides AB in the ratio 1:3. So I have told you earlier, this 1 denotes A1 and this 3 denotes B3. So you have to join A1 with B3. Join A1 this point with B3 this point. Bring your scale and join it. So now you can see that you have got one point P here, which is dividing AB in the ratio 1:3. So AP ratio PB is equal to 1:3. So this is one part and this is 3 parts. And P is that point. You have to measure AP and PB. So when you will measure AP and PB with your ruler, what will you get? When you will measure AP will be equal to 1.75 centimeters. See, total length of AB is 7 centimeters. So your AP will be 1.75 centimeters and PB will be equal to 5.25 centimeters. If you will get this much length when you will measure with your ruler, then your sum is 100% correct. Now the next question is, draw a line segment of given length and divide it into 4 equal parts. Children, you have to just follow the steps and do it. We have already done lot many of questions in this. So it is given that you have to draw a line segment of given length. See here, take one line segment AB of any length. Suppose you have a line segment of length 4 centimeters. So we will draw like this, and we will mark point A and point B. Again, point A, point B. Now you have to divide it into 4 equal parts. To divide it into 4 equal parts, you will make an angle at A. Let us say, every time I am making 30-degree angle, you can make angles of any measure, but both the angles, the angle you make at A and the angle you make at B should be equal. This is to make the lines, the rays which you are drawing at A and B parallel. You are drawing a ray AX, okay, and another ray by, and both the rays must be equal. So to the both the rays will be equal when this angle and this angle will be equal. So here 30-degree and here 30-degree I have taken. These these angles are making, see, this is making an alternate, here the alternate angles are equal. This is making Z. So making alternate angles equal means lines are parallel. So here BY and AX are parallel. Now what you have to do? You have to divide it into 4 equal parts. To divide it into 4 equal parts, simply see, this is a point of your notebook and the ray AX is intersecting here. So this is A1, next A2. 4 parts means you have to make here also 4 equal divisions. So A3 and then here A4. And here also see, this one will be B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now after getting this, what you will do? You will simply join the points. See, from B and A to B4. Join B to A4. See, B to A4. Then B1 to A3. Then B2 to A2. Then B3 to A1. And then A to B4. So you are getting 4 parts. See, part 1, this is part 2, part 3 and part 4. So this is how you will divide a given line segment into 4 equal parts.